Have you ever wondered when it's correct to use il est or c'est in French? Il est or c'est mean he is or it is, depending on whether what comes after them is a noun or an adjective. Il est followed by an adjective means he is. For example, il est poli. He is polite. Il est poli. Il est français. He is French. Il est français. C'est, on the other hand, if followed by a noun, means it's. For example, c'est une balle. It's a ball. C'est une balle. C'est mon père. It's my father. C'est mon père. If you come across c'est followed by an adjective which is always in masculine singular, it's used to describe a thing, not a person. For example, c'est bon. This is good, or it's good in English. C'est admirable. This is admirable, or it is admirable in English. C'est admirable. There are certain occasions when il est is used and it doesn't automatically translate to he is. For example, in telling the time, il est 11 heures. It's 11 o'clock. Il est 11 heures. And if you'd like to start a story, you would say, il était une fois. Il était une fois. Once upon a time. And in this case, était is imparfait of the verb être, to mean to be.